friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Nana, and if you're following along with my letter variations, today is the letter C that I will be lettering, and we will be using the Tombow dual brush pens. So yes, thanks for joining again, and I'm gonna show you a few different ways you can write the letter C. Now there are many other ways, but these are a few that I really like and I wanted to show you. I'm using my letter variation practice sheets. They are available on my Etsy and also on my website if you're interested. You can have them and print them out and you can practice with me, or you can simply just go freehand. You're gonna be just fine. So yes, I'm showing you the real-time lettering of letter C variations. And if you're interested in this, keep on watching. And don't forget to have a look at my channel. I have several other videos related to lettering, so you can follow along. Maybe there are some projects you might like, lettering using watercolors or brush pens. I've been trying to be consistent here on YouTube now, so yeah, you will see more of these for now, and I hope you are able to practice some letters with me. So the very basic rule to follow here of lettering is to have thick downstrokes and thin upstrokes. So just keep that in mind. When your pen is going up, you lift it up a little bit, don't apply a lot of pressure, and when you go down with your pen, you apply more pressure. So that's how you have the thick and the thin strokes. And this is real time. Remember to go real slow. I might be fast here, I want to say that, because I've been doing lettering from a while now, but you might have to go a little bit slower and you will have more control that way. But remember to just go with the flow, don't take too much pressure on your mind, and just enjoy the process, and it will turn out just fine. And I hope you liked all the variations of letter C. There are many more, but these are some of my favorites. And maybe you can try some of your own letter C's. That'll be so cool as well. So yes, that's the end for today's video, and I will catch you next time with the letter D. Happy lettering, everyone.